Hi everyone, I am back with a gorgeous Aliexpress haul. OMG, my postman or post lady just came and I've been waiting for this package because it is all lovely embellishments and these are super lovely. Cannot wait to show you them. So let's push them all to one side and let me show you. Now these, I found this seller on, right, you move because you're just going to cause me grief. Get down, monkey. This seller I found recently and they sell some really gorgeous floral and ribbon embellishments. Now look at these. Aren't these just stunning? Now I don't have my list of prices in front of me. They'll all be in the description box below for you to check out. All the links I should say, so if you're interested just click on the links. Very inexpensive, I can assure you, but look at these. Aren't they just beautiful with the like rosette bit in the middle and then the lovely ribbons. I've noticed there's some sort of strings hanging, but you just pull them off there, not a problem. So I have a bag of loveliness with these. I think they come in a pack of, oh my gosh, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I thought there was 8. Maybe one's fallen out. 2, oops, 4, 6, 7. Oh, okay. Well, it was either a pack of 6 and I got an extra one, or it was a pack of 8 and I've lost one. But they will be in the description below. I kind of want to get them out of the bag because I don't want them creased up, but I'll do that later. We then have these lovely bows. Wait a minute, let me get these out. And they have like the flower a resin sort of flower, flat back resin flower in the middle. But look at the, oh, that one's fallen off, probably in the bag. I can glue it back on. But look at these, they have a lovely center there. And I love the pale blue actually, but we've lost one of the centres, so we'll stick them on. But aren't they lovely? I've got quite a few like bow things today in this lot. Oh, look at these. I've got these in pink and in white. And look at these. These are just yummy. Look at those. And they've got like a polka dot in the middle. These gorgeous lace bows. So pretty. I might even take half of these and tea stain them. You know, so they're a bit more vintage because they're very white. But I do like the colour, the white bows. But I probably will tea stain some of them. And then we have these. Are yummy. Look at these. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. Look at these. Oh, aren't these delicious? Look at them. And they are just, oh my gosh, these are going to look fantastic on projects. I just love them. I don't have anything quite as, I've got bows and flowers, but I think these are a little bit up, you know, one step up again. Some more, one of my subbies, or a couple of my subbies actually, had asked me to sort of find handmade flowers and things like that, more bows and flowers. That one, oh, these have fallen apart a little bit. Right, some of these, the ribbon has actually come off, so I will glue them back on. It's only a matter of gluing them back on. So, but look at those. Aren't they beautiful? They are just gorgeous. So yeah, so I went on the hunt for handmade flowers, fabric flowers, and bows, and that's what I've done. So I hope you're enjoying this video, and you know, I do all the searching for you and find the best things. Right, so that's those ones. We have these flowers here. which are very lovely too, if I can find out how to get into them. And these are a lovely pale yellow, and they've got like the sequins, like a row of sequin beads in the middle of those, and they're like this lovely organza style ribbon, I think you would say that. They are just very, very pretty. And then we have some more bows. Oh, I can't get into them. And these are just plain, lovely, sort of peachy, or dusky pink even, but I think they're more peach than, I don't know. They're like a pinky peach. And I love the tails on these. And then you could actually put your own centre if you wanted to. Very pretty. And then I bought some more. I had some of these yesterday. These, oh no, have I put the video up yet? I don't know. I've done a video and I'm not sure if it's gone up yet. And they've got some other big roses, satin roses, but they are a ivory colour. These are, again, dusky pink. They're gorgeous, aren't they? Lovely. Look how big they are as well. Just gorgeous, look. Aren't they lovely? They are beautiful. So yes, I have some nice big satin ribbon flowers now. These bows actually have a satin flower or a ribbon flower in the middle. So again, different style, gives you some variation on your bows. And they are super, super pretty. Oh, look, one has fallen off. And then, oh, one last lot of flowers are these. These are a little bit different again. And they are sort of more sort of shaped. And they're flat, really flat, these ones. Quite big. But they are lovely with a little pearl in the middle there. I like these because they're very flat, actually. So they'd be great for putting on cards that you want to post, or projects that you actually want to pop in the post. And then I have some more cat buttons. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Look at my cat buttons I have. Look. Aren't these just adorable? And they're all in different colours. Look at those. Aren't they super cute? Oh gosh. Why do I have to have everything and have to collect everything? Oh my gosh. Now, I did get some of these sort of resin. Charles, you're sitting on my other flowers. Resin flowers yesterday, but they were completely flat back. These are actually resin buttons. They are actually buttons, but you could stick them on. These are truly stunning. They are so beautiful. But they have actually got the thing for the button in the back there. Both of these have. Oh, I just love the colours of them. These are just, but they're not too big that you couldn't glue them on a project. Do you know what I mean? Like some shanks are quite big. These are not too big. And there's a lovely assortment of colours with these. So you can either pick the assortment of colours, or you can just sort of pick the one colour that you want. So I have actually got them in the gold as well. Let me get them out. But the ones that I got yesterday They were just flat back resin flowers. They weren't buttons. But these are good because they actually give you the option of both, you know, either a button or an embellishment, or both. Let me just get these out. Oh, look at them. They are beautiful, but like I said, they're not too deep that you couldn't stick them on projects. Oh, aren't they lovely? The ones I got yesterday were a bit bigger as well, in the other video. And then the last thing that I got was some of these little kitty. Again, these are buttons. And they're just like little cats, little cat faces. Little lovely cat face buttons. Adorable. Just adorable. Sure I will find a project to put them on. So that is today's AliExpress haul. It's all about the flowers, embellishments. Oh, I just love these. Aren't these gorgeous? Look at that. Oh, cannot wait to use that on a project. That is big as well. That's like the size of my hand, these ones, look. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, delicious. Oh my gosh, I need a bigger house. Oh, Charlie, have you gone to sleep? Charlie's doing his usual, laying there, aren't you? And being not so helpful. You're lovely. Right, everyone, please like and subscribe. Please check out my other AliExpress videos. I've got what's in my basket, AliExpress hauls. We've got a hangman going at the moment as well. Well, it might be still going by the time I get this video up, but we shall see. So I'm going to love you and leave you. Oh, I've just noticed, look at that lovely black and gold button there. That's really cute, actually. You probably can't see it in this light. Really lovely. Right, I shall see you all very, 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 very soon. Love you all. Take care. Bye for now.